I just thought I'd make this video. It might not be any use to you, but it's just a question I have. This is the noise of the fans on my HP Omen 15. And as you can see when I bring the mouse down here, I don't really have anything open or running. And no real programs are open. So my idle speed, should I say my idle temperatures, are this high in default. Let's click performance. Now this is a HP Omen 15, the GTX 1660 Ti. It's a Ryzen 7 series, 4000 series. Yeah, these are high temperatures. It is a refurbished laptop. I wanted to know if anyone. Wow, you can just hear the fans now. Is this excessive? Please let me know. The most quiet when I put on all three is the default. You can see it's quieted down quite a lot. Is there something wrong with my laptop? Thank you.